everybody, Kevin here. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to talk a little bit about our new building that we're going to be putting up and the vision that we had when we first got this property. We've accomplished getting one 10,000 square foot building up, and now we're getting ready to start grading out and getting the pad nice and flat for the second building. So this particular building is going to be the crown jewel. It's going to have the new offices, it's going to have our showroom, it's going to have our event center, and then the other half is going to be where a lot of our structural heavy collision damage will be done. We have two in-ground frame machines that are going in addition to an alignment rack and some other technical equipment that's going to help us be one of the premier shops in the nation. Thanks for following the journey, and tell your friends to watch the channel.